Portico is a luxury destination portfolio that really specializes in vetted homes, great value, and impeccable service to take the guesswork out of vacations for our members. My wife and I are polar opposites when it comes to vacations. I'm much more the adventure guy, where she loves culture. I love taking a bike down a lost road and seeing where it ends up. If my wife and I were going to go to Costa Rica, I would be much more inclined to go to Arenal volcano at Nayara and really kind of do the hiking and exploring, where she would much rather lay by the beach with a nice glass of cold sangria and read a book. Being able to know and understand those differences are what helped me plan great vacations for my members. I got into working on motorcycles because of the sense of adventure that they bring. There's a big difference between a vacation and a trip and an adventure, and I think the key is getting to the bottom of what your member's looking for out of the trip. My name is Brian Hoffman, and I am Portico.